Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. So today we're looking at the LG Stylo 4 Prime exclusive model. Gets a huge discount from Amazon. As you guys know, this is the fully unlocked version of it. And yeah, there's a lot of ads. But as you guys can see, I'm not in my normal studio today. I'm still in Maryland. It's been about a week. Tomorrow will be a full week that we left North Carolina due to Hurricane Florence. It's really bad, guys. We can't even head home. Some people want to go. Our family wants to leave tomorrow, but who knows if we will. So I did manage to bring my laptop. The internet's not the best here, so that's why there's such big delays in uploads and everything. It just takes a long time. The internet's not really good out here, or spotty at best. But I'm trying to make it work, guys. But yeah, let's get into today's news. As you can see, the LG Stylo 4 Prime exclusive, which is fully unlocked with all carriers, including Sprint, T-Mobile, AT&T, and I guess Verizon. This is Prime, so you do have to have Prime. I do have a link in my description below if you want to try Prime out for 30 days free. Like I said, I do have that link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so if you click it, I will get a little bit kickback. But let's get into it, guys. So as you guys know, there will be a bunch of Amazon apps on the phone. That's what makes it Amazon exclusive. So it says one of the big draws of Amazon's Prime exclusive phones is that they are available at a discount compared to their non-Prime exclusive counterparts. Today, one of those devices is even cheaper than normal. So Amazon is now discounting the LG Stylo 4 Prime exclusive model. This phone is unlocked and compatible with AT&T, Sprint, T-Mobile, and Verizon in the US. Because it's a Prime exclusive phone, it does come with Amazon app pre-installed like Amazon Shopping and Prime Video. You'll also need to be a Amazon Prime member to buy this LG Stylo 4 model. Like I said, you can sign up via my link in the description below. And these news are brought to you by AndroidandMe.com. So it says the LG Stylo 4, as you guys know, I did review this phone, the unlocked variant from Best Buy. It's basically the same variant. I will leave that in the description below so you guys can check it out, the unboxing and review. It's a pretty good phone. This model is the better version than the Boost Mobile version. I know the Boost Mobile version you can get for about $130 at Boost Mobile, or $200. This one you'll be able to get it for $210, guys. Pretty cool. I'm surprised I haven't seen a price yet, but it is $210. So it gives you a little bit of specs of it. The LG Stylo 4 features a large 6.2-inch 2160 by 1080 display, pop-up memo, of course, pen. So yeah, you can get this model for $210, guys. And a lot of people, like I said, it says the LG Stylo 4 is normally a nice option for folks who want a smartphone with a big screen and a stylus for an affordable price. And right now it's even easier on the wallet. Add to the fact that it's unlocked and works with all 4 carriers, which means you can take it with you if you switch current carriers, making the LG Stylo 4 an attractive option. And that's why I said that the LG Stylo 4, the unlocked version, was the better. At $300 from Best Buy was a little bit pricey, but what's cool about it is you can take it anywhere, all the carriers. This one being $210, it's with Amazon Prime you can get it $250. It's $40 off right now, so you get it at $210, and that's how you'll get it, guys. I will leave the description below. Same thing, a link to the phone where you can buy it. Same thing, it's affiliate link, so if you buy it from them, it will give me a little bit of extra change for it, especially since I'm out here. But let me show you here. This is Amazon right here, and a lot of people have the question: does it work with or for Boost Mobile? Yes, but you have to contact Boost Mobile rep to override it or something to activate the phone. Go to the community website to find answers about the LG Stylo 4. So basically, when you get the phone, just contact Boost Mobile, and they will have to rescue it or rescue it or whatever. And it will work with Boost Mobile. I tried it on my LG Stylo 4 unlocked from Best Buy, and it worked perfectly fine. So this works with T-Mobile, like I said, Metro PCS, Cricket, all those carriers, guys. So it's pretty cool, guys. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you want to donate to the channel to help support it, you can via my PayPal description below, or check out netbuddy.co. They do offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout, you will save $5. So check it out, and I do a little bit of kickback. So wow.